Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. Here with me today is a 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet. This is finished in GT Silver Metallic. "20-inch turbo wheels. Start up front here in the front bumper. The biggest thing I notice actually is just this little spot there of road rash and a few other spots there right on the front bumper. And there's a few right here just below the hood line, but very, very small, nothing major. Driver front wheel, really good shape. I don't see any curb rash, any imperfections. There's no corrosion there around the center cap. Carbon fiber exterior mirrors. And driver rear wheel, again, really good condition. I don't see any corrosion. There's no curb rash. There's a small little mark there, actually, right there on the lip. Active rear spoiler. This thing makes some great noises. Exterior, other than the front bumper that I just showed you, is in excellent shape. There's not a real imperfection that I can point out for you viewing this video. Over here to the passenger rear wheel, great shape. No curb rash, anything like that. And up here to the passenger front, same as the others, no curb rash, no damage, no corrosion there near the center cap. Oh, you know what? There's a little bit, I wouldn't say corrosion, but it does look like there's a little flaw there in that center cap. Beautiful red top. The top's in great shape. Burmester sound system. Seven-speed PDK transmission. This is equipped with the PDCC, or the Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control. And you have your Sport Chrono package there. As you can see, just under 12,000 miles on this car. Lots of options, almost about $30,000 in options. Some of those options are lane change assist. You're going to have the power steering plus. Obviously the wheels are painted in high gloss black, and the center caps are colored with the Porsche Crest. The side air intakes are painted in the high gloss black. Side skirts are painted. Other features are going to be your heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and you have the extended interior package and dashboard trim. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.